If you've ever been personally victimized by flat roots and frizzy hair because of baseball hats, you are not alone. But have no fear, because I finally found a way that you can use baseball hats, because like the sun, we don't want it on our precious skin, without ruining a perfectly fresh curl day. And I'm not talking about satin lining a baseball hat. It actually goes further than that. So today I'm going to show you this hack that I found for baseball hats to not ruin your hair, along with 3 curly hairstyles that work perfectly for hats. So let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Barbie Dell and I am so happy that you're here. I love helping curlies of all types love and appreciate their curls. I've been teaching natural hair textures since 2020 and I do videos like this, and I also have Curls Monthly, which is my curly hair subscription box, where each month we send you 5 products that you can actually customize starting at just $28 a month. So it's a curly hair subscription that you can get to your doorstep every month. It also has one-to-one coaching inside, so you can message our curl coaches and ask questions. So if you're ready to simplify your routine and find products your curls will love, I will drop the link to Curls Monthly below. I would love to have you inside. So I present to you the best curl hack ever. And it was designed by curly girls for curly girls. And it is absolutely genius. So whatever this apparatus thing is, you might look at this and be like, Barbara, what is this? It is the ultimate curly hair hat sun protection solution. Just watch. So you can take any old baseball cap and slide in the 2 smaller prongs right at the top. Then you take these side prongs and slide them into your hat like this on either side. So it looks like this. And then you basically just made yourself a headband hat, I guess you would say. So then you slide it on like you would a headband. And just like that, you have perfect curls and a protected face. Ball Cap Remix allows you to wear a hat without compromising your curls. Like, it is the first ever ball cap insert that transforms any ball cap to be able to accommodate large, curly, or textured hair with total ease. It attaches to literally any baseball hat, so it's so easy to use. You saw me put it on, it's so easy. And it has a clear design, so it's undetectable in your hair. Like, you would have no idea that I'm wearing it. It really does fit so nice and snug, but it's comfortable. Like, I can go up and down and it's totally fine. It's also lightweight, nice and durable, so it's not going to break easily. And it really does work no matter what your hair texture is, because it has indents on it that will make it stick to your hair. So I'm going to show you 3 really cute ways you can wear this hat. So if your curls are recently washed, or you just want to like show off your big voluminous hair, I would recommend using it with your hair down. What I actually really love about this design is it has these grips and grooves in it that make it stick to your hair, but also, I don't know about you, but I get more volume when I use it. I'll show you. So I will use it like I would use a regular headband, by just sliding it into my hair. And these 2 clips right here also just kind of slide back. It is literally going to say so nice and tug. And like, I mean, I have extra volume, right? Like, I'm not just making this up. Like, we're all seeing this. I think it looks so cute, so chic. Okay, next we are going to actually try a half up, half down hairdo. So this is one of my all-time favorite hairstyles. I do it for like fancy updos literally all the time. And all you do is you're going to leave out some bangs, just like this. So you're going to take your hair as if you were doing a half up, half down. And then you're actually going to split your hair like this, and then bring one section over the other. And just kind of like switch places like that. And then you're going to take a mini claw clip and clip it right there. And then you can fan your hair over that. I love this hairstyle and I do it literally all the time. And now, even better, we're going to do it with the baseball hat. So I'm even going to leave my bangs out, which even looks so much cuter. Like, I can enjoy the benefits of this cute hairstyle while wearing a baseball hat. It certainly is always absolutely impossible to do a curly bun with a hat. Like that, they just, you can't do it. But I'm about to prove you wrong. So this is my favorite quick and easy curly bun. Literally, it takes like no time at all, and it's one of my most asked hairstyles, so you're getting it here first. So what I'll do is I'll loosely pull my hair up. So like there is some bumps here. I'm not slicking anything back. I'll loosely pull my hair up and I will wrap around a ponytail till it's pretty tight. Then I will kind of fan my hair over the ponytail and push it back, making like sort of a bun. And then I will put a ponytail over that just one time. And that's literally all I do. It's so chic. I do this literally all the time, and people think that I like did like something super fancy to my hair, and I'm like, no, it just took me 3 seconds. You saw how long it took me. So now pairing that with ball cap remix, since I'm leaving my bangs out, I'm just making sure to insert the 2 prongs around my bangs to not push my bangs back. Okay, this has to be my absolute favorite style. I love this. I would wear it. Like, this is gonna be a go-to summer thing for me. This is so cute. It's so cute. Like, tell me it's not cute. It's so cute. You have to let me know below which ball cap creation hairstyle you like the most. Again, you can just also wear it down, but like, this is so much more fun. I definitely vote for this one. I think it just looks like chef's kiss, so cute. My life has changed. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to try Cap Creations Ball Cap Remix, along with 4 other products of your choice, I will link Curls Monthly below. I'll also link the Cap Creations website too, so you can check them out. I'm obsessed with this, and I'll see you next time.